In each of the last 5 years, company K donated P% of its annual profit to a certain scholarship fund. So P% of its annual profits. Did the company K donate more than 10,000 to the scholarship fund last year? Which means, was the last year P% of the annual profit? Let's call the annual profit is equal to X. So is P% of X greater than 10,000? So that's the question which needs to be answered in the form of either yes or no. Now let's look at the first statement. The first statement says that 2 years ago, Company K had annual profit of 3 million and donated 15,000 to the scholarship fund. So 2 years ago, P% of 3 million is equal to 15,000. Now this information gives us the value of P. So that is first thing. We can quickly answer this question, and that means P becomes 15,000 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 3 times 10 to the power 6. So 10 to the power 5 is cancelled out like this. So we have 15 over 30, that means 0.5. So we have the value of P 0.5, but we do not know what were the annual profits last year. Therefore, the first statement alone is not sufficient. The simplification is sometimes useful while combining the two statements, so we like to infer the information of the statement while we are simplifying it. The first statement is not sufficient, so A and D options are out. The second statement says that last year company K had annual profit of $2.5 million. But that's not sufficient because this statement does not give us any information about P, so B option also can be eliminated. Now when we combine the two statements, we can see comfortably that the value of P is equal to 0.5 while the value of X is equal to $2.5 million, and now we have to find out only P% of 2.5 million. Since we have the value of P which is 0.5, we can find out the exact value of this expression, and we can definitely say whether yes or no because we are getting a definite answer. So we say that the statements together are sufficient, and the final answer to the question is option C. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Thank you so much.